Look at my pond. How close it is to overtopping and everything. This gutter is clogged. This one is not. Look at all the backup. What's the freeboard amount? I mean, man, I want to see less than 6 inches. That's the closest it is to going over right there. It's over my little bridge here, which is out of position. There's my rain garden. Got 8 inches of ponding through there. You can see how much is coming out of the gutter versus how much is coming over the top. Obviously, more is coming over the top. We're just going to check, make sure that the front gutter is functioning well also. Better be, or else I'll hurt somebody. And what? From the times that it has come over, that's why it's beating this ground down a little bit here. I don't really like it ponding up here. I think I need to get some positive flow to that ditch. Positive slope. Here's the channel. Looking upstream. Looking downstream. Nice warm looking light. Here's the steepest part of this ditch. Out there. And there's some little bit of dam construction adding onto the dam or the bettering the slope. That's it.